apat akong viewer, wala nagsasalita, guys. Birthday of my son today, guys. Invited kayo lahat. Invited in my live stream, guys. OMG. Tama na mga malas dyan. Oh my God. Slippery in my hand. Slippery, slippery. Thank you for million and 1 thumbs up. See, thumbs up naman kayo dyan, guys. Huwag kayong mahiya. Cam. Wala pa akong nabiling asin na ano? Asin na nasa ano? Nasa per kilo. Asin ba na kinilo? Saan kaya yun? Kasi yung anak ko eh. Suka. I soak the chicken, guys, with the salt, vinegar, and lemon, and sugar. Sugar to protect the chicken, guys. Sugar to protect the chicken. Ewan ko saan yung lemon ko. Hanapin ko pa yung lemon. Andito pala yung lemon ko. Mag-ano tayo, guys. Bakit dito up ah? Oh, wala na pala akong ano. Wala na akong ano. Tawag nito. Orange to put to marinate the chicken. Orange and lemon. I have only lemon. I will show you guys like this, guys. Oh, I'm gonna clean the. Wait, asan ba? Asan ba yung camera? Yes. I put this sugar, vinegar, salt, and lemon. So we're gonna soak the chicken like 20 minutes to take out the germs, guys, or whatever bacteria. Yes. Or you can soak half an hour. It's not gonna bad because we put sugar to protect. Yes, I'm gonna soak like that. To take out the, you know, because, and then after this, we're gonna like this with the salt. And if you want to clean with the flour, it's okay. But me, I don't need to put a flour, but later I will put a lot of, oh, what is this? Salt, and then like this.